Looking for that perfect prom dress, bridal gown, or maternity robe online? You may have stumbled upon sendearly.com, a fashion site that looks polished and offers a wide variety of formal and occasion wear at appealing prices. But before you place an order, let's talk about whether it's actually safe to shop here. On the surface, sendearly.com seems like a legit business. It's been registered since July 2022, so it's been active for almost 3 years, which gives it a bit more credibility than many of the fly-by-night scam stores that vanish in a few months. It also offers several ways to contact customer service: email, phone number, and even WhatsApp, which is a rare plus for online boutiques. However, dig a little deeper and some red flags begin to show. There's no information about who owns or runs the website, no business address, no company name, no about us that provides background, just a polished storefront with little transparency. Even more concerning is the total lack of customer reviews on major platforms like Trustpilot, Citigroup, or even social media. For a store that claims to sell high-demand, event-specific clothing, it's unusual not to see any user feedback at all. That doesn't automatically make it a scam, but it does suggest caution, especially if you're planning to spend a lot on a special outfit. In a world where so many online fashion retailers come and go, sendearly.com sits in a gray area, not outright suspicious, but not fully trustworthy either, so it's worth thinking twice before making a purchase. And definitely do your homework or consider safer, better-known alternatives.